Welcome friends. Today we are going to see the AUTOTRACE utility in the Oracle. This utility is a special tool of the Oracle for getting the execution plan status and its statistics. It's similar like the execution plan. Let's see some option of that feature. Here are some options available. First is set AUTOTRACE off, then set AUTOTRACE on execution, then on statistics, and then fourth one is a set AUTOTRACE on. Then fifth one is a set AUTOTRACE trace only. Then first one is a, let's see, the AUTOTRACE off. It is by default set option. When AUTOTRACE is off, then AUTOTRACE report is not generated. Okay. Then second one is a AUTOTRACE on explain. It show report only the optimizer on execution path. Then third one is a AUTOTRACE on statistics. It show on execution statistics. Then fourth one is a AUTOTRACE on. It's include the execution plan statistics. Let's see some practical example of that. So here I have one table that called employee table. We can see example on that table. Okay. So here I have already logged into my SQL Plus. So let's see that. So first we take the execution plan of that table. So let's start. Explain plan for. I will write query on the table. Select employee order by ID. Okay. So its execution plan is generated. Let's see the output of that execution plan. Select start from explain.display. So this is the output of the execution plan, but it will only give me the ID, operation, rows, bytes, cost, and time. Okay. So now let's be on the AUTOTRACE. So here is a basic syntax of AUTOTRACE. There are multiple options also. We can see later. So I'll copy that command. So we have set the command. Okay. After that, again we are going to generate the plan for same query. IDEV.employee where order by ID. So the plan is generated. Okay. So again we have to check the output of the execution plan after we on the AUTOTRACE property on. So let's check this output. Here in this, when I set on this AUTOTRACE trace only, so it will give me the execution plan details and also statistics. So here it will give me rows, bytes, cost, and time, which will give me simple execution plan before on the AUTOTRACE. But in that, it will give me also statistics also. So it will give details of the recursive call, how many recursive call done, DB block gates, consistent gates, physical reads, redo size, bytes sent via SQL.NET client, bytes received, then sorts, and how many rows processed. So these are some details which will get when your AUTOTRACE property is on. Okay. So in that you can get these details. What is meaning of recursive call, physical reads, consistent gates. You can search on the net and you will get the more details. What is exactly meaning of that. Okay. Then these options is useful for the optimization of the query. So here is a some term called like logical reads. So basically to process the query, what is the logical read? That is consistent gate plus our DB block. So here my consistent gates is 106 plus DB blocks, that is 0. So 106 plus 0, that is 106. So my logical read is total 106. Okay. So using that AUTOTRACE plan, you can get the statistics and you can discuss or decide how to optimize query using that. Okay, thank you.